All right, how quickly can we do this? Let's see. Okay. All right. Let me fix the focus. There we go. All right, so we got the filter. It's a nice filter right there. Got plastic right. See? It's a good thing. It's a good thing. All right. And it's I think it's metal. I think it's metal. All right. What else we got? Accessories. Let me take everything out. Let me take everything out. Everything. All right. Manual. All right. You can just pause through all of this and check it out. You can just pause through. There you go. You can pause through. Great. Away. Oh, you got a nice thing to wipe with. I like it. I'm gonna wipe my glasses with this one. Accessories. Oh, you got the charger. There's nothing to see here. Not really. There's nothing to see here. It's a normal charger. Accessories. Cap. Looking good. Wow. It's functional. Wow. You got a strap holder. Wow. Everything looks good. Like, there's a battery. Okay, the battery though, I don't like it. It's too small. Right? Yeah, that's my only complaint with this camera. The battery is too small and you know, doesn't feel genuine. I think I'm gonna have to buy another one. Cable. All right. HDMI. All right. I think it's about a meter. It's 1 meter. Yes, it's 1 meter. And you got Type C. I think it's about a meter too. SD card. Of course, they should include this. Otherwise, why would I even buy a camera, right? If there's no storage. All right. Oh, this is nice. You got a bag. Wow. Fancy. Wow. And I didn't. To be honest, I didn't think I would have this experience. This is nice. Wow. This is nice, really. Okay. That's a mirrorless camera, right? This lens is just the same as cell phones. No, really, it's just the same as cell phones. Look at how small it is. No, really, look at how small it is. See that? Let me get a focus in there. Closer. You see how small that is? Same as a cell phone, but yeah, if it's a cell phone, then it's a good cell phone, right? Like Apple cameras and stuff like that. Right here, you're gonna put your whatever, your mic, your flashlight, but I don't need flashlights. It's got flashlight right here. Okay, you got the screen, and it also has a little plastic right here. This feels good. No, really, it's amazing. You got all your controls. Let me focus. You got all your controls right here. Okay. Right here. All right. Yeah, same kind of. You put battery here, and you put the SD card right here. Let's see what we have. HDMI, USB cable with the Type C, I guess, and a mic. I mean, I would never buy a camera that doesn't include external mic. You see that? Amazing. Flip the screen. This camera is not bad at all. Not really. It's not bad. It doesn't feel weak. It doesn't feel jank. Of course, it's not like, it doesn't feel expensive, but I'm saying like it doesn't feel cheap either, you know. It doesn't feel cheap either. So there you go, right? So let's fire this bad boy up and see how it runs. All right, on button. Oh wow, says welcome. Now let me just take down my flash. Yes. Can you see nothing? Can't see nothing. Okay, I'm gonna show you from the camera. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you the video from the camera. Oh, there you go. Now you got something. So it's working, right? Oh, okay. So now let me show you a video from the camera, right? So now that we know it's working, let's see how it works. All right, there you go. That was not bad. Subscribe and like, and see ya.